How to log into PayPal account in the browser. So open google.com in the browser and type PayPal. The moment you type PayPal, you will get the ad result and the organic result. So you need to look for https www.paypal.com. So once you click on that link, you will see this kind of page, and at the right hand side you will find login and sign up. So we need to click on login, and it will ask you to enter your email address or the mobile number. Once you enter, you just need to click on next and you will be able to log in. You can also change your country, and if you want to sign up, you just have to click on sign up, and here you can select the individual or business account and then click on next, and it will ask you to enter your phone number, and you just need to follow the instruction accordingly. If you have any kind of issues, let me know in the comment section. I will surely help. I'll see you in the next video.